Alright guys, I finally put the nose on the car and everything works and looks great. Spacing is killer, son. I might keep the pinstripes, I might not. So if you remember what this car used to look like, it's gonna look way different. Got a chrome bumper to put on. I gotta get a new shock absorber. These are for fog lights that they had on the car, but I never put them back. Gotta wash this whole nose though. Sorry for the wind noise. Sorry for the wind noise. It is a rainy day. Just pop the hood. Starts right up like she's supposed to. It's full of gas. There's the battery. Where the battery goes. It's like nothing happened. Everything's tight. Yep. Only issue I have is I gotta turn this around because the battery doesn't fit. What else? I gotta do a little wiring issue. I severed my condenser line when I took the old one off. That's fine. It needs to go with the AC anyway. There's a frail wire right here, so when I turn on the lights on the dash, this signal light will come on. Gotta fix that. Gotta tighten this. Throw a bumper on there. Should be straight, man. Oh my god. I also have a chrome back bumper I'm gonna throw on, which is right there. I gotta paint that white part black, but I have it. That's the chrome back bumper. And I have the front bumper somewhere. That's an extra header panel right here. Extra grill from an 80. But this is the front bumper right here, which is also has to get painted black. But the front license plate's already on there. We got extra headlights. I got the original hood over there. Driver fender, nothing wrong with it. Crash bumper. Cracked header panel. Broken radiator support. So, yep. That mirror also doesn't work, but it's all good. She's coming along. This is just a short update video. I know I haven't posted in a while. Those are the original bezels, but they're all broken up. Yeah, I'll be back in her soon. Yep. Had to get the latch from my hood because the latch from the hood we got was bent, so it never closed. But this one works fine. When you close it, you hold it. Sometimes, yeah, it doesn't close. Wow. Hold on a second. There we go. Once again, I apologize for wind noise. It is a windy day here in New York. But yeah. Yep. Broken wheel wells. Yeah, man. She looks good. She looks real good. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. More updates coming soon. I also have a special car I just bought that I'm gonna pick up soon also. More videos to come, more car shows to come. Peace.